Are we ready to ride the ATVs?
Oh yeah.
Let's go do it. It's a nice and windy day, perfect day for riding an ATV. Okay, where do I sign my release?
Hola.
Hey, good to see you again. All right, but yeah.
How's it going?
Good.
ATVs and horseback riding. I'm the one who is taking you for ATVs. Okay, we're gonna have a lot of fun. That's the idea. And Andrew, the other tour guy, he's taking you for horseback riding.
Welcome, guys.
Okay. Amigos, we need you to read and sign a waiver. All right. The waiver for everybody, for the horseback riding, and for ATVs.
Oh my God, check it out. Look, I have here a Hero 2. This is like so retro. It reminds me of the nostalgia day. Speaking of nostalgia, not only do I see Hero 2, but do I see here a Canon PowerShot S15?
Older than dirt.
Oh my God. I mean,
It takes good pictures.
yes, I haven't used this thing since like 1999. This was the edge of coolness back in 2005. Here you go. That's right. And hey, speaking of that, you know what? That looks like stalker mode. So right now, people are lining up and signing the waivers for the ATV as well as the horses. ATV is right there, and here are all the horses. So I'm not gonna bother with the horses because, no, they roll over. Remember, if they roll over, jump off. Hey, are you sure the horses shouldn't be riding you? He's in full stealth stalker mode. There, he's got the helmet. And look, once you put the little shield screen over your helmet, you got the screen? You don't have the screen? Oh, I got a screen.
Oh, yeah. It's not gonna go down.
Oh, you can't put the screen down? Oh, I can put my screen down. That's great. Look at that. We're ready to go. All right,
Okay,
let's get on. Faster, come on! Speed it up, John, faster! What the? You're driving like a little old lady! There we go, that's it. That's what we're talking about. But he could definitely go faster than this. Yay, man, any faster and I'm gonna fall asleep. Okay, that's it, it's over. Time to get off, we're done. Actually, no, we just crossed the street and now we're on the main trail, I guess. Yeah. Here we go. So far, so fun.
Don't tell.
The lead buggy is smoking like a diesel. Fearless leaders seem to have stole his bike. He's back. Let's go. My God, look at the dust on you. Oh, you started with a white shirt, now you're a brown shirt. Yeah. Oh my word, look at the dust. Look at me, look at me. Oh my God, look at my pants.
Oh my goodness.
This is ridiculous. You know, see, the last time I did this, it was raining, right? The rain was coming down, so there was no dust.
Yeah.
And now this, you know what? Between the dust or the rain, I'd rather take the rain. Oh, look, you got a brown spot.
Hey, you want to see that?
Yeah, check it out. There goes your formerly white pants.
TV ride.
There you go, you dirty girl.
Dirty girl.
Were you a good driver?
I don't know, you have to ask him that.
Was he a good, he's a good driver?
Great driver. I'm just glad I was wearing a sports bra.
Okay, we are back. How do you like it?
I mean, it's great, you know? Although I started with a white shirt and now it's a brown shirt. Blue pants and now it's a brown pants. You
It's all good, it's all good.
It's all good, man.
All right.
It's all worth it.
John.
Great ride.
Good ride?
It was fun putting dirt in your face, John.
Yes, it was. All right, so we just got back and had a good time. It was a lot of dusty. My camera is, oh God, it's good thing this camera is dust proof. That's all I gotta say. So, hey, so you guys are going ATVing next. Now, you see how dirty they are? You're gonna be that dirty.
Oh my God.
That's right. Boy, I'm gonna have a good time cleaning up the dust on this camera. It really is a good thing that this camera is dust and water resistant, because if it isn't, I could say bye-bye to a $5,500 camera setup. Oh yeah, this will clean right up.